Welcome to another Reloader Joe video. Today we've got the Hawken 50 caliber muzzleloader. This one was made by Investarms. This one was from the late 80s, early 90s. It was a Christmas gift when I was a kid. These you could buy at Bass Pro here locally. We are shooting 2FG black powder.
Yeah.
We're going to fire round balls and we're going to shoot some Great Plains bullets. I measured the twist rate in this rifle and it was 1 in 56, so it's probably going to lean better towards shooting the round balls than the Great Plains conical bullets, but we're gonna see. I hope it shoots those conical bullets well enough. The Great Plains is what we have, so we'll first go through the process of loading the muzzleloader, and then we'll chronograph a round ball, and then we'll chronograph a Great Plains bullet. Then we'll see how a group of 3 of each fires at 25 yards. We have our powder flask full of the real black powder, 2FG in our case, and this is our powder measure. We're going to set it to the 60 grain mark. We'll start out there. Muzzleloader season is coming up, so we want a load that's good for hunting, which will probably be 70 or 80 grains, but we want to see how it's been years since I've shot this, and I don't remember what charge we used. 60 is a good starting point. There are numbers and lines so we know how many grains of powder we're loading, and we've got it set on 60. And our powder measure, our powder flask has a nice little pour spout, so we will pour until it fills up.
There we go.
Is it? Oh, there we go. All right. Can you see that in it?
Yeah.
The black powder?
There you go.
All right. And that is 60 grains of black powder. Next, here's our old round ball. Hornady 490 lead balls. We take a waxed patch, place it over the bore, line it up, and we'll press the ball in, and we'll get it started here. And we just give it just like that, and then we'll push it in the rest of the way. And at that point, we'll take the ramrod and just push it in until we hit the bottom. And the old timers always said to, the guys that taught me said to do that, and when it bounces, it's fully seated. I know that some people don't like to do it that way because it could deform the ball, but it's always worked for me. All right, here's the percussion caps we're using. We'll use Remington number 11. We'll place the rifle on half cock, place our percussion cap on it, and there we go. It's now ready to fire. 50 caliber round ball, 60 grains of 2FG black powder. This is Graph's black powder. We're going to shoot through the chronograph, go ahead and aim at the target, and do a grouping, and we'll check the speed at the same time. So here we go. You got your ears?
Ears are engaged.
All right. We're cocked. Okay. Okay. What do you think?
That is cool.
Look at all the smoke. I can see the hole from here.
Me too.
It is right in line, it's just down. And look at the speed, 1273 was the speed. We're not going to film the reload process again because that takes a long time. So we'll just come back when we're ready to fire the next shot. We are now reloaded. We're ready for our second shot. Oh, I love that. That one was 1403. That was faster. There's shot 2. That says it was 1403 feet per second. So we'll load one more time and then we'll switch to the Great Plains bullets. Okay, we're reloaded for our third shot. You ready?
Yeah.
Error after all that. Okay, well, all right, 1200, 1400 and error. All right, let's go down and take a look at this these 3 shots. Those leave bigger holes in the paper, don't they?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a lot bigger than our 30 cal and 44 cal holes we've been. Man, okay. Well, there we are. I was aiming, right there, just like I always do. So let's tape up a new target and go do the Great Plains bullets. These are Hornady Great Plains maxi bullets, 385 grain. So yeah, here's what they look like. You don't have to use a patch with these. You just put them in the barrel. They're pre-waxed. Pre-lubed. So we'll fire 3 of these. We'll bump it up to 70 grains of black powder for these. We have a new target set up and we'll fire through the chrono again. Hopefully we won't get an error this time like we did the third shot. So, all right, we'll be back when we have it loaded and ready to go. Okay. All right, we're ready to go. 70 grains black powder and our Great Plains maxi bullet, which is 385 grains. That conical, it's a hollow point. We'll see how this does. Hopefully we'll get a good reading on that chronograph also.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yep. $11.93.
That had a little more punch to it.
It actually had a reading.
It had a reading and more recoil, and it looks good. We're just right south of where I was aiming, so we'll load another one up and repeat. Oh, ears. Almost. I don't want to forget those.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. $12.18. And it was lower. Huh. A little faster, but a little lower. That's odd. Okay. All right, we'll do our third shot now. $12.10. Okay, well, let's go down and look at them. That's not bad. That was our first one, but our last 2 were right here. So, not too bad. Let's, do we want to try? Okay, since we're at 70 grains, let's put our last target up, shoot 3 more with the round ball with 70 grains of powder. So, we are now loaded with 70 grains black powder and the round ball. So, let's see how fast and how accurate.
Don't forget your ears.
Oh yeah. Thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome.
right, the round ball, the first one with 70 grains black powder, 1447 is how fast. So here is shot number 2. That was 1488. Now here is our final shot, 70 grains, 490 round ball, 50 caliber.
$15.10 that time.
Clearly, I think this one does prefer the round balls, although it looks like we would be able to get it sighted in with the conical bullets, the Great Plains or the maxi balls. Yeah, but let's go down and look at these. There's 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, this does well with the round balls. I don't know, those 2 that were right together but low, those were all right too. So it looks like we can probably shoot either out of these. Yeah, maybe we'll do more Hawken black powder videos. That's really fun to shoot. It's a pain to clean up, but it's a lot of fun. So we'll keep fiddling around with different powder charges. I'd like to, see how 80 grains fires, because that's what we'd like to hunt with. That'll give us more speed and more distance, flatter trajectory hopefully. So yeah, that's it for another Reloader Joe video. Over and out.